What's up? Welcome back for another round of the stream. I think we got a couple of stocks hitting the scanner. ICCM is the first one that I started looking at. Kind of just woke up, so I'm trying to get my pump on soon here. Drink some water, get some coffee going. I always love the green trader. Welcome back. Good morning. It's always good to drink water as soon as you wake up. It's the best thing ever. Don't go straight to the coffee. Water keeps your brain nice and hydrated. All right, let's see what we got here on the scanner. My coffee's brewing, so I got a couple seconds for that. Let's see. ESGL, ESGL. No, not looking good right now. HNRA. This one's popping up. HNRA is showing 5 million float or 5 million outstanding. All right, FinViz, let's take a look at HNRA. Take a look at HNRA. It's looking like a float of 5.72 million, low, short float. It's a good enough float to make a move, a low enough float to make a move. Let's see, news. News gives update, acquired entity reports from the revenue, solid earnings for 9 months ended. Okay, so I just acquired a company and it's showing good revenue and earnings. I think that's pretty decent. We could get a day cat. So what do we got here? 271. We can break 331. Then we have room up to maybe, yeah, to make a move here. So let's put a line there. Not looking as good this morning. My plan is to wait until October to see where everything moves. Yeah, I can already tell sitting down, there hasn't been as much action as there was yesterday. But it doesn't mean there still can't be a good move. But it's good to be patient and not get too aggressive too soon. ESG, I'm stuck holding the bag. What? Don't hold in bags. Uh-oh. Okay, I think we can see a move here. $63 to 68, very small size. And it's 70 out of 72 for 300 shares. Volume coming in. Okay. HNRA. Oh shit. What is this? Cut it, cut it, cut it. Yeah, it has a small share size. Can bump it up. I can take a look at ESGL in a sec. I think HNRA, we just got that nice pop on the volume there. So what was that? 230,000 shares. That's pretty decent. Premarket at least. Topping tails though. Nope. I sold half and then I wanted to let half ride there, but we pulled back. I thought we were going to flip red on the candle. We are a little bit extended. I think my coffee's done too. I need to scoop up that coffee. See, maybe we get down to 265. $20 of that pop used only to get that, so about 8%. Yeah, very nice percentage there. If you're disciplined enough, I would see if you can. This could be another pop here to the upside. I still think it's extended though. That EMA is catching up though. 9 EMA is catching up. Yeah, I think we're going. Pretty much break even there. We just broke even. I was in at 95, and then I added at 3. Literally, my fill was adding at 3, but it did not. I was not able to get a sell over 3. It is what it is. It is what it is. Can't get all tied up in that trade because we're about to have another opportunity here. What I was gonna say, Morgan, is if you have the discipline and the money, just put 25K in there in the trade in your trading account, just so you can have the instant settlement margin, so you can trade as much as you want, pretty much an infinite amount of money. That's if you have the discipline and if you have your strategy set out, just so you're not limited to the amount of trades and the amount of money that you can trade. For me, I was able to have the discipline to not FOMO 25,000 into a trade and kind of just do, $500 to $1,000 trades. But I was able to do infinite amount because of the instant settlement. I didn't have to wait T+2. But then again, in May 2024, they're coming out and changing the system from T+2 to T+1, so that'll also change everything up a little bit. So maybe you wouldn't need the funds to 25,000 because you can get T+1. I think we're gonna pull back a little more. I need to get my coffee. think so far, I think all eyes are on HNRA. I mean, HNRA is the only thing that's moving right now. Should have guessed there. Damn, THAR, look at that. That thing dropped from 3 overnight from 3 to 1. That's some nasty stuff. Coming down here, could see a dip, buy. Looking at the 5-minute too. Maybe 266. Here comes the entry. Yeah, it could be a nice dip here, but on the 5-minute, it's not, I don't think it's quite there yet. Could be a little bit more. Come on. No. Let's see, I want to see a 65. Right there wasn't bad. 69 to not 75 now. That would have been a 6 cent trade on a $2 stock. It's not bad. Yeah, there you go. That was a hard one to time there. That was hard. That was a hard one. So we got 25 minutes to market open. We'll see what we got today. HNRA, we could have some room on this break if we break what is this high of, what is it, 330. IF 330, you could get some area of no resistance there. It's looking pretty decent here. Very hot bounce there, very hot bounce. Maybe we'll get a higher low here. Shooting wicks out of here. Looks like it could be forming an ABCD. That's what I get because I'm doing something else there. Coming up to that resistance point at 330. Now we're technically making, we're starting to make highs there since that previous flush. So we have room up to high fives. We have room up to high fives if it wants to. Yikes. Come on, bounce. Damn, that put me red. That put me red. Too early. It's alright though. It's alright, it's alright. Yeah, the opportunity was here, man. I was way too hesitant. It's alright, we're still break even. Day's still young. Be more opportunity. Yeah, HNRA. This was the bounce. This is the bounce. bounced right off support there. That could have been a 10% trade there. Nice job, Morgan. Nice job. Yeah, I'm pumped too after my big win yesterday. I had over a 1K swing in my P&L. It's like the biggest I've had ever. No, I think I had a 1K swing, but to the red side. I think it was green like 600 or something one day, and then I swiped all the way down to 400 once before, but now it's the opposite way. Feels good for it to be the opposite way, but yeah. Opportunity is here. Yesterday was crazy on BDRX. I still think HNRA is still has more to work, more to do. $17 minutes to the market open. Right now we're sitting break even, slightly red. No sweat though, no sweat. You see how that candle came exactly right to my trend line? That's some skills right there. That's some skills right there. If you're wondering how I found that, just by taking the most recent high until the gap, and in that gap, or that window there, or that gap in the chart where there's very little price action, it could be some areas of no resistance in there up until the previous low, which would be, looks like 599. I don't know if it's going to go into 599, but it's possible. Can get a one-minute new high here. In at 301, out at 302, 303. Could have held that for a little bit longer if I wanted to. Yeah, it looks like it's coming down a little bit. Looks like it's coming down. Testing this trend. There it goes. Let's see how far it's coming down. See, this support level is just hard to... It's not quite... Maybe here. But then if it doesn't hold there, it could be coming down here. It could be coming down to 70, to be honest with you. Could be coming down to 70. These are tough patterns. It's hard to recognize a support level. So I'm thinking potentially has some, well, we definitely have some demand down in this area. Depending on how we get there, I may buy that dip. Come on, a little bit farther. Come on. I want to see a quick swipe down to that 70 level. I know it's at VWAP, but I think we're going lower because this level coincides with the 5-minute 90 EMA as well. You guys can take a look at my mug. It always seems impossible until it's done. This is my favorite mug. It's true. It always seems impossible until you get it done. It seemed impossible for me 3 years ago to ever imagine making $500 in one day. Doing it in like 1 hour trading stocks. And here I am. I did it. And now I'm looking for areas beyond that, which may seem impossible. Relentless Trader made $5 grand yesterday. He 10x my profit. I'm like, that doesn't even compute in my brain yet that that's possible for me. But if it seems impossible, it always seems impossible until it's done. And it can be done. He's done it. Somebody else can do it. I can do it. You can do it. It just takes a lot of practice, and it takes belief in yourself that you can do it. Baja Express just subscribed. Thank you for subscribing to the YouTube channel. That's our little avocado friend. Hopefully that can jump up on the screen a lot more often now that you guys have seen it. Thank you, Baja, for subscribing. You are now featured on the stream. Look in the top right, new sub, Baja Express. Thanks for joining the community. You also can check in the description. We have the Discord channel, which I'm active in every single day. You guys can interact with the community and the rest of the subscribers through the Discord as well. So join that for free in the Discord. But yeah, as I was saying, it's possible for all of us to get to that level. I mean, our Relentless Trader made $5 grand trading the same stock that we all traded yesterday. It is possible. It just takes practice, and we will get there. Take it real slow. There's no rush. The slower you take it, the higher the chance that you will get there. That's just a law of statistics with success. The slower you take, the higher the chance you will get there. So take it slow. There's no rush. Make sure you have the skills necessary to perform in that level before you go for it. But when you feel like you're ready, definitely do not hold back. I'm Travis MC in the Discord. Oh, okay. Yeah, I did see in the other Discord channel, Trade Journal Discord channel. By the way, if you haven't signed up for Trade Journal, that's a amazing trade journaling software. Completely, actually for free. It's definitely the best deal on the market versus TraderView or TraderSync, because the free versions on TraderView and TraderSync, they have like limited, like 20 trade uploads. Trade Journal doesn't do any of that. It's unlimited uploads for free. Very good support, very good customer service. The link will be in the description for that to sign up. And if you're not journaling your trades and tracking your statistics, then you're you're not trading correctly, you should be analyzing everything that you do in the market. So we got HNRE currently back up potentially. Definitely a lot less action than we had yesterday so far. Doesn't mean we can't still see a move. 269,000 shares in volume at the high here for 1 minute. ICCM was the other one that I was looking at. ICCM. This one is kind of curling up. This one announces release of study published in Cancer demonstrating safety and efficiency of process. This is a stock that actually has made a big move in the past. So this is honestly, this could be potential today. 92% disease-free survival rate, 100% secondary local control rate, treating kidney cancer tumor. So anything cancer related can definitely be big, just because it's so well known. Everyone knows what the word cancer means, and anything positive with that usually makes a pretty decent move. Obviously, don't just blindly buy anything. Just out of the news, you always want to follow your technical rules. Oh, no patients died. I'm happy they included that. Because what if somebody died in their study? That stock would go to zero. Oh my God. Got 5 minutes till market open. I think ICCM, let's take a look at the daily on this. What are your guys' main watch? I assume it's HNRA. That's the only one that technically, on the technicals, is looking bullish. Let's see here on the daily. Right now we're at what, 125, 120. We really got to break. We got to break all this nonsense here. It's a lot of resistance. But look, I mean, we've made a move before from $1 to $4. But we've got a whole lot of nonsense to chew through here. First, we got to break that pre-market high of 140. If we can break the pre-market high again at 140, 150, and if we can break 170, then we could look at, you know, starting to get into 2s or maybe 3s. Yeah. This could be sort of like, could be making like a cup and handle maybe. You know, kiss the high there, quick pullback, and go. H&RA, I still think the entry is down here. I still think the entry is down there. We could see something that we saw on BDRX. You know, a couple candles pull back, and then curl up and rip. But obviously, don't blindly buy anything because I said so. I have no idea what's going to happen. These are just ideas, theories. I never just blindly buy. I always follow my technical rules. So we pre-market, we're up $1.30. I don't think we can even buy a McChicken with that anymore, but pretty much a fresh, clean slate going into the open, which is fine. I'm sure there'll be more opportunity today. I'm watching H&RA as my main. Thank you guys for tuning in for the pre-market pump. I'm going to keep doing these, so keep coming back around the same time, 8:30ish. For the pre-market pump. Glad you guys came in to enjoy the music and reviewing the market. Check out the links down in the description. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the stream. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I will catch you guys on the recap, which will be after the trading session. All right, good luck today. Hope you guys get green. And see you guys later.